Hi, boys and girls. Today I want to teach you how to use the comment tool so you can give your classmates compliments on their mysteries as we go on a virtual gallery walk. Remember that after you read their mystery, you might give them a compliment on how they put in clues, how they were building suspense, the character dialogue, how they explained the solution, how they developed their characters with traits, with likes, etc. If they were showing the character's feelings, not telling, you might comment on their spelling, their capitals, their punctuation, or anything else you thought that was really, really awesome. Maybe a favorite part, a part that surprised you, a part that made you laugh, etc. Remember, we're only doing compliments in the virtual gallery walk. We're not giving any grows or things they need to improve on. You're going to read as many mysteries and compliments as you can in the time that you're given. Can you maybe get 10 done? Let me show you. Let's say I want to go read Luciana's mystery called The Missing Skates. I click on it. And you will only be able to comment. So right now I have editing access, but you will only be able to comment. So I read through her mystery. La, 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 la. Okay, let's say I find a part that I really love. Let's say I really like this part, okay? So I can highlight that part, and then I can click on this little circle right here that says add a comment, okay? And then I can type, Luciana, I love how you, whatever you're going to write. I'm not going to give you an example right now, but you'll obviously finish that. And then when I'm done, I think the computer froze. When you're done, you write your whole sentence, compliment. I click comment. Okay, and it will pop up here. Now maybe I keep reading and I see it, I finish it. And I really love how she finished her mystery with something. Now, I can also click right here and notice I can still do a comment here. It's not appearing, but if I move my mouse here, it shows up, add a comment. Okay, another way is to right click to make this appear. And you see comment right here. That's the other way, okay? And I can say, oh, I love this part because blah, 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 and click comment, okay? When I'm finished, I can close. I'm just gonna cancel for now. I can close out of Luciana's, and I can go and I can read somebody else's. Maybe I go read Isabella Manrique's, and I do the same thing. Got it? All right, off you go.